Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. I upload at least 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sometimes I have surprise uploads, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And go ahead and hit the bell so you know all the times that I upload. Today I have a super special review and tutorial and show and tell for a wig that I purchased from Wig Types for $15.69. So I got this wig specifically. I got a bunch of wigs in this like 613 sort of coloring, and I wanted to try to do some different dyeing techniques. So you're going to see a bunch of videos over the next couple weeks of these different dyeing techniques, how they worked, what they work best for, all that. And then I'll do like a recap video, and I will list all the different techniques for DIY dyeing, what they work best for, what works, what doesn't work, all that. But in this video, we're going to talk about Harlem 125 is like one of my favorite brands. I know they don't seem to get too much love, but I absolutely love them. This is the KW105 wig, and I got her in the color SGD 4613. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. She comes in a bunch of colors. So I am going to insert clips of what I did to her and before and after. So I don't know how I'll edit this video, but you'll see the before and afters. But this is her now. It is a stunning ash brown. So again, I will tell you everything that I did to her, but I just want to show you the cap construction. This is a full cap wig. She has that skin top parting, no combs in the front or the back, but there are adjustable straps. It's a nice parting, but it's that skin top, and there are a little bit of like a baby hairs. I haven't even tried her on really yet, so I may have to go back in and put combs in her, but we'll see. I'm just dying for the color that this turned out. Let's get her on. Okay, so I'm just dying for the color. Oh my gosh. I love this sort of like ashy gray brown that it turned out. Wig cap is definitely comfortable. I did tighten her, but she does feel like she doesn't feel like she's gonna go anywhere. So with these skin top partings, it's a little bit humpy towards the front. Ooh, she's so cute on the side. Let's see about the right side is what I usually like, but I think I'm gonna do her as a left side sort of part. Let me try to fix her up. The first thing I did was tone the wig, and I used the alcohol and RIT dye method. So I poured an entire bottle of the 70% alcohol into the bag, and then I added the RIT Dye More Synthetic in Royal Purple. It's really important that you use the RIT Dye More that says synthetic on it. I put 3 capfuls in, and I then put the wig in and make sure that I saturated the entire wig. I dyed the wig. I used very hot water, and I used this bowl that I got from Walmart for $1.50 or so. It was in the kitchen section. I then used half a bottle of this RIT Dye More Synthetic in chocolate brown. I put that right in the hot water. I had already used half, so I then went ahead and put in the wig and just really was trying to saturate the wig. This already had sort of darker roots, so I was really making sure that the blonde bits and the part that I toned was really getting saturated and colored first. I did have to use tongs because this water is super hot. I then went ahead and set the timer for 15 minutes. This was a wig in natural lighting, and I hope this was helpful. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.